February is American Heart Month and National Snack Food Month. So what better way to celebrate than with heart-healthy snacks? Registered dietitian Amy Goodson with RDTV is here with some satisfying snacks that taste good and are good for your heart. What is a heart-healthy snacking tip we should all keep in mind?
One of your heart's favorite things is fiber, and that's found in whole grains, fruits, veggies, beans, nuts, and seeds. But it's snack time, so many of us crave something sweet. So my best advice is to add fiber with fresh fruit. And one of my favorites is Natural Delight's Medjool dates. These are a whole, fresh fruit that provides you with that natural sweetness. And bonus, the fiber found in dates helps you feel full longer after eating, and they contain 16 essential vitamins and minerals, so a win for snacking. And let me tell you, they are a great base to energy bites. I love pureeing Medjool dates with honey, flaxseed, and then adding in oats, wonderful pistachios, coconut, and dark chocolate chips. Roll those into a little ball and you have a perfect snack that gives you a boost of natural energy to power through the afternoon.
I often find myself pretty hungry in the afternoon. What's your best tip for a really satisfying snack?
The best combination is a snack that has fiber, protein, and healthy fat. And great news, wonderful pistachios have all three. And tomorrow is actually National Pistachio Day, so the perfect time to add them to your snacking routine. You may not know this, but pistachios are actually one of the highest protein snack nuts, with 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving. Plus, 90% of the fat found in pistachios is that better for you monounsaturated fat. So you get a trio of nutrients that helps you stay fuller longer. And a heart health win is that wonderful pistachios come in lightly salted and no salt. So you get that flavor and crunch without the extra sodium, making them perfect for a snack board paired with cheese and veggies. But you can actually cook with wonderful pistachios as well. My chicken poppers are crusted with a pistachio, Parmesan, rosemary, and thyme crusting. Let me tell you, this is heart-healthy snacking at its finest, and the best part is that it tastes good as well.
Thanks, Amy. For more healthy snacking information, visit amygoodson.rd.com.